Let me ask you something. Have you ever wondered how crypto tokens really work behind the scenes? Not just how to trade them, but how they're created from nothing. How the entire ecosystem functions. Today, we're going deep, from blockchain basics to live token deployment. And yes, if you stick around, I'll show you exactly how to create your own tokens step by step. By the way, if you want to skip the learning curve and get my complete crypto token toolkit, DM me on Telegram at WWolves right now. I'm giving away free contract templates to the first 50 people who message me. First, what exactly is a cryptocurrency token? At its core, it's just a smart contract, a set of rules programmed on a blockchain. The most common standard is ERC20, which defines how tokens can be transferred, how balances are tracked, and how transactions are approved. The blockchain acts as a public ledger that records every single transaction. This is why crypto is decentralized. No single entity controls it. The network of computers running the blockchain software validate and record all transactions. Want to know which blockchains are best for token creation in 24? I've got an exclusive comparison chart. Just DM me on Telegram at Wolvano and I'll send it over. Now, let's talk about what makes tokens valuable. There are three key components. Utility. What can the token actually be used for? Access to a platform. Voting rights. Scarcity. Is there a limited supply? Are tokens being burned? Demand. Is there real interest from investors and users? The most successful tokens nail all three, for example. Okay, let's get practical. Here's how you actually create a token. Step 1. Set up your development environment using Remix IDE. It's completely free and browser-based. Step 2. Write your smart contract using Solidity. Step 3. Compile and deploy to your chosen blockchain. Step 4. Verify your contract and add liquidity. Now, here's something important. Most tutorials don't tell you about the critical security checks you need before deployment. I've got a pre-audited contract template that includes all the necessary safeguards. If you want it, message me on Telegram at WWolvano. Once your token is live, the real work begins. Create liquidity pools on decentralized exchanges. Get listed on tracking sites like CoinMarketCap. Build your community through social media. Consider a pre-sale or IDO for initial funding. The biggest mistake I see? People skipping the marketing plan. I've put together a 30-day launch checklist that works even if you're starting from 0 followers. DM to @WolvDermai on Telegram to get it. Look, anyone can create a token, but creating a successful token, that takes the right knowledge, the right tools, and the right strategy. The crypto space moves fast, and the window of opportunity won't stay open forever. If you're serious about launching your own token the right way, I'm offering free one-on-one consultations this week to the first 20 people who message me on Telegram at WolvanoIO. Let's turn your crypto idea into reality.